Hello friends, welcome to your channel PhiLab. Learn, analyze and build physics concept. Channel dedicated for understanding physics at +2 level. Thanks to all of you for browsing into this channel. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you haven't done up till now. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video or solution from Newton Physics textbooks. Okay friends, today I would be discussing with you about circuit analysis. Now in circuit analysis, whether you are talking about DC circuit analysis or AC circuit analysis, three basic terms are required by us to be clearly understood. The first happens to be called as term as nodes or junction. So we need to understand what is a node or a junction. Basically nodes or a junction happens to be a point where more than two current carrying path meets. More than two current carrying path meets. Now one has to understand we are talking about more than two current carrying paths. If there is only just two, it won't form a node. So more than two current carrying path meets, that point is going to be called as a node. So if there is a current carrying path I1, there's another current carrying path I2, and then there's another current carrying path, let's say I3, and here is one I4. So what is happening? There is more than two current carrying path, and this point is going to be referred by us as node N1. But if there are just two current carrying path that are meeting, say here I1 and I2, this point will not be classified as a node. So this is not a node, but this is definitely a node. The second term that you need to understand is mesh or loop. What is a mesh or what is a loop? A closed current carrying path. Now again containing circuit elements. What are circuit elements? Such as resistor, capacitor, etc. and power source such as cell, battery, etc. So here once again you need to understand I'm talking about a closed current carrying path. So if it is not a closed path, it cannot constitute a mesh or a loop. So suppose there is a point, I start from A, here comes resistance R1, here comes some resistance R2, a battery. So A, B, C, D, A. So A, B, C, D, A is a loop or mesh. Another way, another circuit, let's see. Now if you'll see over here in this second circuit, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, now A, B, E, F, A, loop 1. B, C, D, E, B, loop 2. A, B, C, D, E, F, A, loop 3. So a loop basically happens to be a closed current carrying path. It needs to be closed. Now if you look over here, B and E are nodes or junction. While A, C, D, F cannot be classified as node. Take care about this fact. Third thing that you should understand is a branch. Now, whatsoever is connected across two nodes, a current carrying path connected across any two nodes. Suppose there is an N1 node and there is an N2 node. So if there is a current carrying path, this is a branch. If there is a current carrying path, this is a branch. So if there is a path which carries some resistance, this is a branch. So let's say R1, R2, R3, R4. Now this is one branch. This happens to be another branch, whereas this happens to be my third branch. So across any two nodes, a current carrying path will be referred as a branch. So across any two nodes, a current carrying path or path containing any circuit element will be referred as branch. Now, in a branch, all circuit elements are in series. In a branch, all circuit elements are in series. So if you look into this one, this is one branch, branch 3. R3 and R4 are in series. So this is a very important point that you should remember. In a branch, all circuit elements are in series. Now, across any pair of nodes, so look into this diagram, across this pair of nodes, N1 and N2. So across any pair of nodes, here let's say N1 and N2, branches are in parallel. So across any pair of nodes, branches are in parallel. So in the above example, branch 1, branch 2 and branch 3, they are all in parallel. If you can understand, or in a circuit, if you can simplify what is a node, what is a branch, then the circuit analysis becomes easier. Just remember two facts. In a branch, all circuit elements will be in series, and across any pair of nodes, branches will be in parallel. Hoping guys, you all must have enjoyed learning with this video. Please share this video with your friends and classmates, and add in your comments which topics you want me to do for you, or any specific numerical problems you want me to solve for you. Thank you and enjoy learning.